Hey keto crew, if you've been looking for the perfect little snack to satisfy your sweet tooth while staying in ketosis, look no further. Today, I'm showing you how to make keto cheesecake fat bombs. They're creamy, rich, and only take a few minutes to make. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need to whip up these delicious fat bombs. 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of softened butter, a 1/4 cup of keto-friendly sweetener like Allulose, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and if you want, a pinch of lemon zest for a little extra flavor kick. Step 1. In a mixing bowl, we're going to combine the softened cream cheese and butter. Make sure both are at room temperature so they mix together smoothly. Use a hand mixer or a whisk to blend them until you've got a nice creamy texture. Next, we'll add in the sweetener and vanilla extract. If you're using the lemon zest, throw that in now too. Keep mixing until everything is well combined and super smooth. Once your mixture is ready, grab a spoon or a small cookie scoop and form bite-sized balls with the batter. You can make them as big or small as you like, but I like to keep them about the size of a tablespoon. Place the fat bombs on a parchment-lined tray and pop them in the freezer for about 30 minutes to firm up. And that's it. Once they're set, they're ready to enjoy. You can store them in an airtight container in the fridge or freezer and just grab one whenever you need a quick, satisfying snack. These keto cheesecake fat bombs are the perfect treat when you're craving something sweet but want to stay in fat-burning mode. Plus, they're loaded with healthy fats to keep you fueled throughout the day. If you love this recipe, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more delicious keto recipes. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video.